A home security system can improve overall home safety, protecting you and your family from potential intruders. These are great devices that allow you to keep an eye on your home remotely and can monitor unexpected break-ins. Since there are so many home security systems, it can be challenging to determine which one is the best for you. So, in today's video, we will brief you about 5 of the best security systems available on the market.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
When it comes to smart home connectivity, Abode's simple security equipment and smart Iota security camera deliver a punch. As for the Iota, it is a security gateway, motion sensor, and security camera built into one. This entry-level Iota system includes an Iota, a key fob, and a tiny door sensor. If you need extra sensors, cameras, and motion sensors or smart home devices, Abode has more add-on options on their website. Abode's security accessories are wireless, simple to set up and pair with your system, and you can add up to 160 devices to the system for maximum protection. You can also use it to connect with devices using Z-Wave or Zigbee, and you can control it with your voice via Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. Since the Iota will communicate with your mobile app over Wi-Fi, we recommend that you have a decent internet connection before purchasing this security system. As Abode also works with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit, you can use it as a part of your preferred smart home ecosystem. The Iota features two-way audio, so you can talk to whoever you're monitoring. As for the camera, it shoots in FHD with a field of view of 127 degrees and standard night vision. In terms of warranty, the equipment from Abode comes with a 1-year industrial coverage and 30 days return policy. To summarize, the Adobe Iota security system provides some outstanding and unique features to maximize the protection of your home that makes it an amazing kit to consider. The Ring 2nd generation alarm system is one of the best DIY security systems available in the market with top-notch monitoring, surveillance, and security. Ring provides a wide choice of home security products. You can select specific items or a Ring system to link your preferred Z-Wave or Amazon Alexa-enabled devices. After connecting the system to an Alexa-enabled device, you can simply set your alarm in home, away, and disarm mode, as well as monitor the status of your security system using hands-free voice control. In addition, when coupled with Alexa Guard, you may set Guard to away mode to receive smart alerts on your phone if your Echo device detects the sound of smoke alarms, carbon monoxide alarms, or glass breaking while you're away. This kit includes a base station to keep your system online, a keypad for in-home control, and a range extender to guarantee that your alarm devices are receiving signal. This system also includes a motion detector and 4 contact sensors. When combined with the contact sensors to cover 4 doors or windows and a motion detector to cover a room, it is an excellent choice for 1 to 2 bedroom homes with a coverage of 1,000 to 2,000 square feet. As for the warranty, the alarm kit comes with a 1-year limited warranty and support. To sum up, the Ring 2nd generation alarm is a dependable system to enhance your home security thanks to its professional package and smart AI technology. Scout Alarm is a flexible DIY home security system that uniquely uses a radio frequency identification system to control it. Through 4 unique security packages and 2 monitoring plans, Scout gives customers a choice in how they want to secure their home. As for the bundle, its 5-piece kit includes a hub with 4G LTE cellular and battery backup, a door panel with 2 key fobs, and 2 window sensors, a motion sensor, 2 window stickers, and a yard sign. The Scout kit can be easily assembled in minutes without the use of tools or professional installation. Increase the security of your house by adding additional sensors and interior cameras. Manage your notification settings and system preferences via the Scout mobile app. This security system integrates with best-in-class products like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Nest, Philips Hue, First Alert, LIFX, Yale Lock, and IFTTT. In terms of security, it brings smart home security at your fingertips. Receive notifications on your phone when doors or windows open or motion is detected. Scout has a 60-day return policy on all hardware purchased from the company and provides a 3-year guarantee on any damaged devices and will deliver a replacement at no cost to consumers. Overall, the Scout security system does an excellent job of combining DIY ease of use with unique technologies such as cellular backup and professional monitoring, making it an excellent choice for keeping your home secure. Cove is an economical, customizable home security system that delivers the basics and makes protecting your home super easy. Despite being the newcomer, Cove has worked swiftly to grow its home security products and enhance both equipment and mobile app functionalities. This system includes 1 Cove touchscreen panel, 7 window sensor, 1 pet-friendly motion sensor, 1 flood sensor, 2 key remote, 1 medical alert, and 1 Cove yard sign. As for the installation process, it just takes 30 minutes to set up the system with the help of Cove's DIY install wizard, which is available on the Cove touchscreen panel. The best thing about this system is there is no complex contract, hidden charges, or cancellation fees. If you don't like your Cove security system or your situation changes, Cove is committed to letting you go without a major runaround or a hefty final charge. Additionally, this security system employs Rapid SOS, which enables dispatchers to communicate more efficiently with emergency responders, resulting in faster response times. This method works well because it maintains critical information in a manner that is easier to communicate to 911 responders than sharing the same information over the phone. As for the warranty, the manufacturer provides 1-year warranty with all devices and lifetime warranty if you sign up for Cove Plus monitoring plan. All in all, if you want a customizable home security system that is simple to install and does not bind you to a contract, we believe Cove is a great option. If you want a well-known brand to secure your home at a reasonable price, then SimpliSafe is the ideal security system. This system comes in a low-cost kit that is simple to install in your home, and furthermore, it is simple to change your system or relocate it to a different home or apartment. SimpliSafe offers 5 security packages, and all packages include a base station, keypad, entry sensor, and motion sensor. More comprehensive packages include a key fob, smoke detector, panic button, siren, and temperature sensor. The 9-piece wireless security bundle provides 24/7 security with an easy-to-use SimpliSafe keypad, and the system will alert the authorities in the event of an attack. Additionally, the base station relays alarm signals to the monitoring center via an integrated cellular connection, a 24-hour battery backup, and a 95 decibel siren. As for the system itself, its pioneering signal burst technology is powerful enough to cover homes of every size. with up to 1000 feet range, and the SimpliCam security camera lets you see what's happening at home anytime from your phone, tablet or computer, which gives you a complete control over privacy. As for the sensor, they can detect motion up to 30 feet away and have a 90-degree field of vision, making them ideal for full range coverage when placed in a corner. In terms of warranty, there is a 60 days money-back policy for the customers, and the security system is backed by the manufacturer for 3 years. Overall, with SimpliSafe, you can enjoy effective, contract-free 24/7 professional monitoring and ensure your house is the safest place on the planet. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Inside.